Welcome to 2144 Grove. This is a NOPA USF Panhandle 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment on the top floor of a 6-unit building on a great street, convenient to USF, Haight area, Golden Gate Park, and more. The kitchen has been recently updated and features a fancy tiled floor, granite counters including a nice size breakfast bar, The kitchen window looks into the enclosed entry, and if you look up, you see the tip of the cathedral for USF. So you have a nice sized kitchen, plenty of cabinets, electric stove with hood, medium sized refrigerator. There is a coat closet off the kitchen. And then the living room. Throughout there are new bamboo floors. And you have a view of the living room of the Twin Peaks Tower over to Buena Vista Park and on Grove Street at the historic buildings. The small bedroom also has the view. It's a little storage cubbyhole. And a nice sized closet. Back through the living room, this is your front door. You have a pocket door here, a little more privacy to separate this area, and another closet. So you have a coat closet, a linen closet, and a closet in each of the bedrooms. The bath has been recently updated. It's a nice vanity, a fancy mirror, floor-to-ceiling tiles, glass shower door, and a skylight that you can open and acts as your ventilation system. And then off this little hallway here, you go to the larger bedroom, which is quite spacious. It also has the same view, more of Buena Vista Park. And a nice closet in this larger bedroom. If you're interested in leasing 2144 Grove number 4, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Have a great day.